morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm giving you a shower routine. So anyway, I woke up and I decided, you know what, let me just wash my hair to release some pressure and stress. Those are the benefits on like washing my hair. I just released the tension on my head. So for washing my hair, I just use the Johnson baby shampoo because it protects the hair, mostly like the damaged hair. And then I just use MPL. You know, MPL really makes the hair grow and healthy. So for my bath, I use the Johnson baby bath. What is the Johnson's baby soap? It is so amazing. Mostly I'm using the Johnson baby soap because I have a really bad sensitive skin. I have a really harsh, it's really bad sensitive skin. So using this Johnson, it is so amazing, and it has like a lot of health benefits to it, as it leaves the skin amazing and really fresh. It is for like small children, so that's why it has a unique way of making the skin feeling more healthy and more beautiful. So that's why I love the exfoliating gloves that I'm using. They are just the best thing that I ever bought. The way they really work, it is amazing. If you can buy them, you will see like what I'm talking about. It really makes taking a shower and bathing really easily and simple, and you will just be addicted to it because the way you just take out of the dirt, it just leaves your skin feeling smooth and super clean. So guys, like washing your body really releases stress and tension that I feel. Really, if I'm like under pressure about school and stuff like that and what is happening around me, I just take a bath, and that really helps me to release stress. Ginger and lemon and honey is the best way if you want to detox your body and really clean the bad odor that you have on your coochie. If you have anything that is bad down there, it works amazingly. Now guys, let's just get into the feminine hygiene shower routine, which is basically something that I've tried, something new for me. Just smelling nice and great all day long is so important for a woman. So I'm just using my Nivea body wash. It smells so amazing. The scent of it is so amazing, and the way it gets into the skin, it really lasts, guys. Like the smell lasts like 24 hours. That's the only benefits that I know, that I tried and like really experienced. The smell is so amazing, and it leaves the skin with like a bit of complexion and like cleanliness. As you can see, guys, amazing. The fun part of this is that the smell lasts all day long, like really 24 hours. And for the coochie, I just use Dove soap, which is amazing and so pure, and it smells so amazing until down there. Just like that. So because I just wanted to smell so amazing the whole day, I just decided to put on some scrub. Feminine hygiene, darlings. Feminine hygiene. So for my body, I just use some tissue oil because I just want the body to be so smooth and so healthy looking and so glowing. So yeah, this is the best. the best products. And for my spray, I just use Yodlee. So guys, thank you so much. Love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For my face, I just use a more comforting exfoliating glove, and